Hey folks, I'm here to do a product review. Something I bought off of Amazon that I just bought it just to check them out, and actually turned out that I really like them. They're heat shrink. Well, not heat shrink, but it is heat shrink. But it's got solder built in. Got solder built into them, so you just heat them with the heat gun. No, don't need to solder it. It's got solder built in, so it gets hot enough and it melts into the lead. So I'm going to show you how I do it, and I think you'll be impressed. I am. All right, so I'm going to put this thing on top of my head so you can watch me do it. All right, so it's in there. Both of them are touching the solder. So now I'll get my heat gun and just let it go. And so the solder just melts right into the wires, and voila, you now have a soldered joint that's already got the insulation or the heat shrink on it. Do one more for you. I can see the solder melted. So that should be done. It should be good. Well, I hope this helped you out. Maybe it's something that you've been looking for and didn't know existed, but now you do. So, like I said, there's going to be a link in the description to this, to these heat shrink soldering stuff, splicing. So anyhow, thanks for watching, and be safe.